Hi there! Welcome to Twinkl Kids TV. Today, we're going to be drawing a lighthouse. We'll use a pencil to mark out some basic shapes before using a pen to add those finishing touches. So, grab your pencil and let's get started. To start off, draw a straight line along the bottom of your page. Next, as if you're drawing a semicircle, start to create a curve. However, make this top line really bumpy. This is because the lighthouse is going to be on a rocky hill. To create the main shape of the lighthouse, towards the top of your page, draw another straight line horizontally, before adding 2 long lines all the way down to meet the rocks. Using the horizontal line as a base, create a long, thin rectangle at the very top. Then, so it looks a bit like a hat, draw a square shape on top. Layer one more of the really long, thin rectangles on top of this before topping it off with a dome shape. Whilst you're here, why don't you take a second to subscribe to our channel below? You can be first to see all the amazing videos we upload. Next, let's pick up the pen and get started on the final lines. Start by overlining the rocky base of your drawing. Next, go over the long, thin rectangle, making sure they overhang slightly. You can then go and fill in all the gaps, using the pencil markings to guide your lines. In the square between the thin rectangles, draw a circle that almost takes up the whole space. This is important as it's where the light will come from. When you think of a lighthouse, can you think of the pattern they usually have on them? Spots? Stars? Oh, stripes, of course! Let's add in some curved lines down the lighthouse so we can colour it in its signature colours later on. Within each strip, draw a tall semicircle for a window for people to look out of and watch the ships sailing past. Make the bottom one slightly bigger for a door. Next, from the circle layer, draw 2 long lines coming away from the lighthouse to show where the beam of light is facing. And now the best part, colouring in time! I'm giving my lighthouse the classic red and white stripes with a bright yellow dot highlight to show how far and wide the beam is reaching. But of course, you can get creative with your colours. Thanks for joining us here at Twinkl Kids TV today. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.